Hey there! Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Well, today we're diving into an exciting method that can help you earn $7 every minute, all on Autopilot. Let's get started. First things first, it's crucial to find your niche. Think about what you love. Pets, nature, art. Let's say our friend Alex loves pets. So Alex decides to focus on custom pet products. This makes it easier to connect with the audience. Next up, Alex needs some eye-catching images. The best part? He can find free, high-quality pet images on sites like Pixabay or Unsplash. Just head over to these platforms, search for pets, and download a few stunning pictures. Remember, royalty-free means he can use them for his products without any worries. Now it's time for the fun part, designing. Alex chooses a print-on-demand service like Printify. He signs up for free and starts creating custom products. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, he uploads those adorable pet images he found earlier. Here's a tip. Use Printify's design tools to add text or other elements to make the products even more appealing. A catchy slogan like "Positively Adorable" can work wonders. With products ready, Alex needs a place to sell them. He decides to set up an Etsy shop. It's super user-friendly. After creating an account, he lists his custom pet products, complete with attractive descriptions and tags to help customers find them. Use SEO keywords related to pets and custom products in the product titles and descriptions. This boosts visibility and attracts more buyers. Here's where Autopilot comes in. Alex connects his Etsy shop to Printify. This way, when someone orders a product, Printify handles the printing and shipping directly to the customer. Alex doesn't have to lift a finger. To drive traffic, Alex uses social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. He shares adorable photos of his products and engages with potential customers. Running a few targeted ads can also help reach a wider audience. The more people see his products, the more sales he can make. And there you have it. By following these steps, Alex is well on his way to earning that $7 every minute, all on Autopilot. If he can do it, so can you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.